This is coffee.
Oh, perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you. So, nakapag-check-in na tayo, guys.
Hindi na tayo pinag-deposit for another 200.
That's good.
We got free coffee!
Coffee! So, alive na naman tayo. And alam niyo na ang kasunod dito, cabin tour na. Let's go! 26 ito. Welcome to our cabin for tonight. Come in, come in. So, wait. There's a closet right here. So where you can put up your jackets because it's cold outside here. And then we got some hangers. Perfect. Come in. As you can see, we got some table right here. This is a comfy table, right? Look, yeah. It is all made of wood. It's got a vintage vibe, right?
Yeah.
Look at this. It's an old ski made of wood. Perfect. So before our bedroom, let's check out this bathroom. So it's a pretty, pretty. It is just a regular bathroom. Yeah, with showers and toilet. So nothing fancy, but you know, looks nice, eh? And right here is our kitchenette. Look at this. This is so nice. And later we're gonna cook some dinner, and we're gonna cook some steaks and vegetables.
Yeah.
And the special gravy that you made yesterday, right?
Yes.
Today is February 12th, which is 2 days before Valentine's. So this is our celebration for Valentine's. So happy Hearts Day, guys. So moving on. Right here we got a rocking chair. We got some table right here. And
Is it real?
yes, it is. Look at that, guys. We got our own fireplace. Those are not wood though, but this is,
It's warm.
yeah, it's so warm. So winter is not perfect without fireplace. This makes the mood perfect because it's so cold outside, guys. It's -25. Yeah, we need this. And here we got a sofa bed. Comfy sofa bed. After 5 hours of driving, maybe almost 8 hours because we're going around back, right? So this is perfect. This is just to sit down, relax. And so we got a queen size bedroom. Huh? Pretty fancy. I mean, let's check. Oh, you know, I could live here like for a few months, like just unwind here, work, like do some cabin. It's so perfect. Highly recommendable. And we got some closet right here, so I can fit in here. See?
What are you doing?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
It's just a little tall with this. So, you know, a couple of hangers and electric fan.
What is that?
Maybe a comforter, maybe, I think.
Oh yeah, for the sofa bed.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is vintage. This is not your typical. See? It's not like turn on, turn off thing. It's a rolling. What's this? But pretty vintage. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about. And that's what we want. And for the final piece, come on. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Here's our balcony, guys. Look at that. We got 2 red chairs outside. Here we go. Come on outside. Feel the breeze of the air. Winter time, baby. Winter time plus cabin with a fireplace. Perfect.
And later we're gonna
s'mores.
S'mores.
Yeah. So later we're gonna check because there's an ice rig there. Yeah. There's a fireplace right outside. So we're gonna check it. But for now, we're just gonna settle down, get our stuff, and you know, get comfy. Yeah, a little rest. And we're gonna check on you guys later. All right. So guys, I didn't notice, but there's another one.
Yeah, we didn't know.
So Kat is gonna show you
There's another one, balcony.
another balcony facing the front porch.
View. Yeah. It has this long
Chair.
chair. So it could fit 2 people, I guess.
Is it a rocking? Rocking?
No.
It is rocking.
Oh.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Perfect.
I like it.
And I think that's it for our cabin tour. So let's settle down. So ngayong araw ay panibagong araw na naman. At niluluto na tayo ng chicken.
Good morning.
Good morning. And tulog pa ang ating mga tropa peeps. Hi guys. Good morning. Tatago pa tong isa oh. Gising na guys. Good morning na. Sino kumuha sa'yo?
Si Lord.
Sino? Good morning na par. Ugnog.
Pag-adjustin mo muna naman yung mata
Ay,
namin. Paano kami makakabangon yan? Lumot-lumot kami.
So yun, mag-a-adjust muna daw yung mata nila. Pero look at this guys. Ayan yung fireplace. Wow. So ayan, nag-ayos muna kami. Then, alam na tayo. Breakfast time. Let's go. So hi guys, samahan niyo muna ako. Bibili muna tayo ng hot chocolate sa front desk. Let's go. Yung trip na to is just a perfect getaway if you want to unwind. Gusto niyo magpakawala ng stress. Hello, good morning. Yes please, thank you. Kung pupunta man kayo dito guys, check out nyo tong souvenir shop. Meron silang mga ganito. Sticker. Coaster tawag. Coaster. Ganyan, patches. So meron sila dito marshmallow and some snacks. And look at this. Beaker. Thank you so much. Alright, see you later. Chocolate, baby.
Thank you. Water.
Pare, pa ako eh. Pare, gising na. Say hi to the vlog. Good morning ka muna.
Morning. Lapit mo na naman. Ang lapit mo na naman.
Good morning
Hi,
ka muna.
good morning. Tingnan mo ako. Ang dry.
So guys, naka-ready na tayo. And ayusin na lang natin yung mga gamit ilalagay natin sa kotse. And then, mag-check out. And after that, we're going to Johnson's Trail. Oh! Oh, ito pala. Ito. Ito. Ito.
Ito yung steam room.
Pasok. So, dito guys, summer. Dito, winter. So, recommended na magstay dito ng mga couple of days. Kasi meron silang gym dito. Tapos, it's a proper gym. Look. Like, all the things you need for your exercises here. So, dyan yung front desk. And then, dun yung aming cabin. So, may iba't ibang cabin dito guys. Hindi lang katulad dun sa amin. Merong cabin na may jacuzzi. Merong cabin na solo-solo. Tapos, yung cabin namin, malaki siya, isang malaki. Tapos, apat lang ata yung rooms na pwede dun. Na cabin, actually. Hindi siya room. So, let me take it to the other side. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kagabi na gusto namin i-try. Look at that guys. Meron silang libreng pwede nyo gamitin ng hockey sticks. Diba? And on this side meron silang fire pit. Isn't it that nice? nandito na tayo guys. So look at that guys. Look at this. Meron kang swing dito. Tapos, ayun yung mga fire pits natin. Tapos, tama naman yung view. Look at the view at my back guys. Look at it. Ayan o, Rocky Mountains na. Kitang-kita mo yun o. Sobrang ganda talaga dito guys. Sobrang ganda sa van. So ito yung mga firewood na ginamit namin kahapon. Dito kami kumuha. And dadalhin nyo lang dun sa mga fire pit nyo. So yes, libre yan. Libre yan. Kukuha ka lang dyan. So ayan guys, yung fire pit na sinasabi ko. Diyan kami nakaupo kahapon. So if you want to check out our social media, we have a video there where we are chilling, relaxing in front of the fire pit. So yun lang. Enjoy lang natin yung video dito. I-absorb natin yung mga ganda. And there you go. A God's work. God's work. Ito yung tinatawag ng mga trip na priceless kasi tama naman. Ganda ng weather. Hindi ganun kalamig katulad kahapon. And meron ko ganyang view. And ayun nga pala guys yung mga cabin na sinasabi ko. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And kita nyo sa'yo na yun? Warning, you are in a bear country. Kasi may mga bears dito, so kailangan mo maging aware. Kasi nasa loob kami ng forest. Hindi naman forest to forest, pero alam mo yun, kailangan mo lang maging aware. Kasi nga, bear country. So let's go back to the car. Let's go to our trip. So tara na guys, mag-check out na tayo. Babalik na natin to. Thank you very much, Baker Creek by Basecamp. Thank you very much.
Nice to meet
Thank
you.
you. Yeah, thank you.